Are you looking for the best Vitamix blenders? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Vitamix blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. If you want a blender with all the bells and whistles, the Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender delivers. With laser-cut, stainless steel blades, a 2.2 peak horsepower motor, and a 64-ounce, low-profile container, it's a smart blender with built-in wireless connectivity. Self-detect technology allows the blender to adjust the pre-programmed settings and maximum blending times based on the size of the container. The blender uses a touch interface and has 5 program settings: smoothie, sorbet, soup, spreads, and self-clean. Variable speeds, from 1 to 10, as well as a pulse feature for a short burst of power, allow you to precisely control the blending process every time with this Ascent model. In addition, the programmable timer frees you from having to stand over the food while it's being blended. Plus, the low-profile container can fit under most countertop cabinets. You can also use the Vitamix Perfect Blend app with this model, that includes 17 programs and over 500 recipes. Blends exceptionally well. Very fast and powerful. Intuitive controls. Dimensions: 11 by 8 by 17 inches. Weight: 14.92 pounds. Capacity: 64 ounces. Dishwasher safe, yes. Warranty: 10-year warranty. Number 2. Vitamix Black A2300 Ascent Series Smart Blender. The Vitamix A2300 Ascent series is a more economical version of the A3500. However, it still includes many of the same features. For example, like all Ascent models, the A2300 has a 2.2 peak horsepower motor and laser-cut, stainless steel blades. The A2300 also has a 10-speed dial and pulse features, along with 5 programmable settings. The blender uses built-in wireless connectivity and self-detect technology, and comes with a low-profile, 64-ounce container, and digital timer. The A2300 is slightly smaller and almost 3 pounds lighter than the A3500. 10 speeds. 5 programmed settings. Self-detect technology. Dimensions: 11 by 8 by 17 inches. Weight: 11.86 pounds. Capacity: 64 ounces. Dishwasher safe, yes. Warranty: 10-year warranty. Number 3. Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. One of Vitamix's legacy blenders, the Vitamix Professional Series 750 is still being sold because it's a durable, hard-working appliance with a simple design that has stood the test of time. This model has hardened stainless steel blades and a cool-running, 2.2 peak horsepower motor. The blender also has 5 programmable settings and 10 speeds, along with a 64-ounce, low-profile container. And this model has a self-cleaning function, saving you time and effort. Blends very well. Well built. Dimensions: 8.5 by 8.5 by 17.25 inches. Weight: 13 pounds. Capacity: 64 ounces. Dishwasher safe, yes. Warranty: 7-year warranty. Number 4. Vitamix 5200 Blender. The popular Vitamix 5200 series is a classic Vitamix blender. Part of the company's older C series, the 5200 is sturdy and more affordable than other models. It features a 2-peak horsepower motor with 10 variable speeds. There are no presets, so it's a simple and stripped-down Vitamix. Narrower and taller than Vitamix's newer blenders, the 5200 comes with a 3-inch blade. It should be noted that, at nearly 21 inches tall, you'll want to make sure you have enough space under your cabinet should you choose to keep it out. Blends well. Sturdy and well built. Good control. Dimensions: 8.75 by 7.25 by 20.5 inches. Weight: 10 pounds, 9 ounces. Capacity: 64 ounces. Dishwasher safe, yes. Warranty: 7-year warranty. Number 5. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. The Vitamix E310 Explorian blender is another blender in the company's Legacy series. It has a 48-ounce container, so it's not as big as many Vitamix blender models. This makes it a better choice if you don't need to prepare large meals for an entire family. The E310 Explorian series blender also has 10 variable speeds and pulse control. It features hardened stainless steel blades with a durable, cool-running motor that's built to last. The blender's also easy to clean, just add warm water and a drop of dish soap and blend for 60 seconds at the highest speed. Variable speed controls and pulse. Smaller container. Dimensions, 11 by 8 by 18 inches. Weight, 10.5 pounds. Capacity, 48 ounces. Dishwasher safe, yes. Warranty, 5-year warranty.